Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We have another realtor coming in right now just to check out the house, see what they say, try to get some information. I think with dentists and mechanics and lawyers, it's always a good idea to meet multiple of them, find one that you like and trust. Let's wait for them to get here.
真的很厚，大概有个0.08。是，它这个地方是方便你去修你 kitchen 的下水管。哦，对。
Oh, those are plumbing that we put in.
那还 low 眼。
Wouldn't they just see like the concrete's not even here and be... They just left. So far, I really like both of them. I think with everything in life, it's a list of pros and cons. I'm also reaching out to close friends that are realtors, and they're recommending that I get educated in the local market here so I could better communicate with realtors and also make sure we're all on the same page and that everything is fair. Let's go check out some open houses. Now that I've done a little bit of research, I feel more confident picking a realtor. We'll start with the similarities. The comps they showed me are pretty close, so I have a comfortable price range that I am happy with. I also confirmed with the other realtors I met today. We went to like 3 or 4 different houses, and talking with them, we're all in agreement that it is currently a mixed market, and it wasn't like in 2021 when we bought this house where the market was so hot, everybody was overbidding the Zillow and Redfin prices. So I have a more tempered expectation now. So I think that will set a good foundation for moving forward with the realtors. The main difference is one is gonna take a little less commission, about 0.5 less commission, but she wants me to DIY all the stuff, which I'm selfishly very excited because we get to make more YouTube videos. And the other realtor wants to take 0.5% more in commission, and they will front all the costs. So she will pay for the landscaping, she will pay for the flooring in that room, she'll get a handyman over to fix all the patches that needs to be done. So I'm kind of leaning towards the more expensive one because I know if I know if I do all the work, this could potentially take a very long time. So I feel like I have to just set my ego down a little bit and give up the control and just let the realtor handle everything, because I think if I do the work, it's just not gonna be as good, and the realtor is gonna tell me to redo this or redo landscaping or redo the flooring. So if I give up all the control and just have them handle it, then this will probably go a little bit better. I am a little sad that I can't make those videos on getting the house ready. But yeah, leaning towards the one that's a little bit more expensive, but they're just gonna be in charge of everything. Very excited to see how that goes. Video 370 done.